How to fix you must reset your password before continuing in Roblox. Now this is a quick and a very easy fix. All you have to do is to launch your game first on roblox.com, and once you're here just head directly to the gear icon, which will take you out directly to all of your Roblox account settings. And what you want to do from here is just scroll down a bit till you find these option or field on password. Now click this pencil icon right here, and then in here you just need to update to a new stronger password. Now once you have successfully changed your password, close this, head down to security, and to keep this out from happening every time, you must at least complete any of these two-step verification right here. So choose whether it's going to be an authenticator app via email or hardware security keys. Now you just have to complete any of these options and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you fix. You must reset your password first before continuing in Roblox.